another sum. So this is a very very important sum. It is asked in so many chemistry entrance exams, right? What transition of Li2 plus spectrum will have same wavelength as that of second line of Balmer series in He plus spectrum? So transitions are given. So this is the Balmer series. For Balmer series, N1 is equal to 2. So these are the higher energy levels like 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the transitions. So this is the first line. So this is the second line. What transition of Li2 plus will have same wavelength as that of second line in Balmer series? Okay, second line in Balmer. This is the Balmer series. So what is the first line? 3 to 2. 3 to 2 is the first line. 3 to 2 is the first line. And 4 to 2. 4 to 2 is the second line. 4 to 2 is the second line. 4 to 2 is the second line. Right. So these are the N1 values. These are the N2 values. Right. Now what transition of Li2 plus spectrum will have the same wavelength, right? Wavelength, what is the formula? 1 by lambda is equal to RH into 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. This is the formula, right? Now here this is not a hydrogen. This is not a hydrogen. These are the two ions are given. What is that? He plus Li2 plus. So He2 plus, what is atomic number? Helium 2. What is the lithium 3? So what is electronic configuration? 1s2, 1s2. What is electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s1. 1s2, 2s1. So He plus means it can lose just one electron. One electron means 1s, it can lose just one electron. 1s2 loses one electron, that means 1s1. Li2 plus, it means it can lose just two electrons. It can lose two electrons means 2s0 and 1s1. So it is also containing one electron. So He plus and Li2 plus both are containing one electron. So but and hydrogen also having one electron. So but these are ions, hydrogen is atom. So the Rydberg equation for hydrogen atom this. But hydrogen like atom, Rydberg also gives an equation for hydrogen like atoms. 1 by lambda is equal to RH into Z square. Okay, same to same, but here Z square is came. Right, Z square, right. Now, so both the Li2 plus and He plus, the wavelength of Li2 plus and He plus is the same. So that means is equal. So 1 by lambda He plus is equal to 1 by lambda Li2 plus. Now listen to me. What is that formula, right? 1 by lambda is equal to RH into Z square. What is the atomic number of lithium? What is the atomic number of helium? 2 into 2 square. Z square means 1 by N1 square. For helium, its transition is given. Second line. Okay, what is the second line? So this is the first line, this is the second line. 4 to 2. So its N2 value can be taken 4, its N1 value can be taken 2. 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 4 square. Right, this is the He plus. Now 1 by, for Li2 plus, RH, Z. What is the atomic number of lithium? What is the atomic number of lithium? 3. That means 3 square into 1 by N1 square. Here the transition is not given, that is asked, right? So 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square, right? Now, so RH is cancelled. 2 square means 4. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 16. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 16 is equal to 9. 3 square means 9. 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. Right. Now 4 into, what is the LCM? 16. 4 4 just 16. 4 minus 1. 9, 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Now 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square is equal to, so this is 9 is multiplied, that will comes to right side, that is divide 4 by 9 into 3 by 16, 3 by 16. So 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja, 4 1 ja, 4 4 ja. So 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square is equal to 1 by 3 4 ja 12, 3 4 ja 12. So now these transition can be substituted in these, now this transition can be substituted in this formula. So now first one 6 to 2, 6 to 2. Okay, here n1 can be taken 2, n2 can be taken 6. N1 can be taken 2, n2 can be taken 6. So that can be that can be substituted 1 by n1 square, that means 1 by 2 square minus n2 1 by 6 square. So 1 by 4 minus 1 by 36, that means 36. What its LCM? 36. 9 minus 4 9 ja 9 1, 8 by 36. So 4 2 ja 4 9 ja. So this is not 2 by 9 is came, this is wrong. Next 6 to 3. So 1 by 6 square minus 1 by 3 square, 1 by 36 minus 1 by 9. So this is also not right, sorry, 1 by 3 square, 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 6 square. So that means 1 by 9 minus 1 by 36. So 36 minus 9 by 36. So this is also wrong, 27 by 36. This is also wrong. Here 1 by 12 is given. Okay, last one, 1 by, so 4 to 2. 4 to 2 means 1 by n1 square. 1 by n1 square means 1 by 2 square minus n2 1 by 4 square. 1 by 4 square. Right, 1 by 4 minus, so this can be right here. So what is the transition? 4 to 2. So 1 by n1 square. So this is the n1, this is the n2. 1 by n1 square minus 1 by 2 square. 1 by n2 square means 1 by 4 square. Right. So 1 by 4 minus 1 by 16. So what its LCM? 16. 4 4 ja minus 1. 16 4 minus 1. 3 by 16. So another transition is there. Maybe another transition is given. Right, another transition is also given, 6 to 3. 6 to 3. 6 to 2. So 6 to 2. So 4 to 2 means what its value? Right, 3 by 16. 6 to 3 means 1 by 3 square, 1 by 6 square, 1 by 9. 6 square means 36. What its LCM? 36. 9 1 ja, 9 4 ja. Right, LCM 36. So 9 first of all. LCM 9 4 ja. So this is wrong. So 9 4 ja, 4 minus 1 by 36. So 3 by 36. So So 3 1 ja, 3 12 ja. So this is right, is equal to 1 by 12. 1 by 12. So what is this? 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 6 square is equal to 1 by 9, 1 by 36. What its LCM? 36. So 9 4 ja, 4 minus 1. So 3 by 36. 3 1 ja, 3 12 ja is equal to 1 by 12. So this is the right. So which transition is right? 6 to 3 transition is right, and this is not right, and 6 to 2 also wrong. So thank you. So thank you. Please subscribe our channel.